Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair video. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cinnamon. If you're new here, welcome. If you're interested in hair videos and cooking videos and lifestyle videos and travel videos, then come and give me a follow. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and join my crew. But other than that, today's video is for my ride or dies that have been with me since the beginning of my loc journey, and for those that are also interested in locks and things about locks. Today's video is for you. So today I'm going to retighten my locks. I'm not going to retighten the whole thing because I don't have time for that. I will go over that whole thing in an update video, and I also have a video on how I retighten my locks. I will link that in the cards above, but I will do an update to that video as well. But for today, this part is the only part I'm going to do, and I have it sectioned off. Just give y'all a quick overview. I have had locks since May of 2019. That's when I started these locks. I started them from braids. I'll insert some pictures here on what I look like. I do have videos on my channel on how my hair looked before it was locked, and the lock process, the lock day. I have wash videos and all types of videos on my channel. Please go back and take a look at some of those. I'm going to be doing more videos in the future, but if you're looking and interested in some of the older videos on how it transformed to this, then go back and watch some of those videos. But here's what it looks like today. This is about 6 years in. This is the back. And it has grown an awful lot. But today we're going to talk about retightening. So this is what we're going to do. This little section right here is what I'm going to do. Disregard all of this gray hair at the top of my head. Disregard all this gray hair at the top of my head because it's going to be gone soon. I don't do gray hair. No. But I've been so busy that I haven't had time to do it. So we're just going to focus on retightening just what's right around here in the perimeter. This is what we're going to retighten. This is the part that we're going to focus on today. So to start out, I just start on one side, which I will start on this side, and move it over like this. Move the rest of it over. This is what I use to retighten it. This is a little yarn needle that's modified to just the end of it. I cut off and I just use this. This is what I use to retighten it. And to retighten it, I just take one lock at a time and go from there. So this one, I'll start with this one, leave this one up here. Get as close as I can so you can see. I go through, I fold my hair over like this into a little loop, and then I put it through the needle like this. And for these hairs, I kind of wrap the hairs around it so it kind of makes sure it gathers all of the hairs in there first. And then I just go in with a 2-point rotation. That's what I use to retighten my hair. 2 points is going in one direction and then going across the other direction, going back in this direction and going back in that direction. That's what I do. This is how I retighten mine. You can do a 3-point rotation. You can do a 4-point rotation. I choose to do 2 because 2 works best for me, and it's faster. So that's why I do it. So let's go in this way, down like this. And for the front, I usually try to go in like this. Go in across like this to make sure that I pull in any hairs that are up here in the front. Then I go down again. And then I come across again until all the space is filled. Down again. Try not to go in the same hole twice because that can kind of leave holes in them. I have plenty of holes in mine. They don't bother me, but I try not to create them as much as I can. Done. Next one, we'll just go with the next one. Same thing. Go down in this direction. That, pull it through, and go across like this, and across that, then down, and across. And then down one more time because we got a little bit of space in there. You see that little bit of space? Then I do one more. Pull it down to this all. Oh, we have a little bit more space. Let's go one more. That's tight enough. You don't want it too tight because it'll make your head sore, but this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of this half, these few right here, speed it up, and I'll be back. This section right here I've gotten done, you can see. And I just tuck it behind my ears as I go. But this part I want you to see what it looks like before and after. This is what it looks like right now when this part needs to be done. Just a mess. I got this much done, which is right here up to about right here. Someone's pulled behind my ears, but that's okay. But at least you can get the concept of what it's gonna look like once it's pulled back. I'm gonna fake it till I make it. Now it's time to move to the other side. Okay, so I have these last two left to do. And then I'm gonna take it down so you all can see. Okay, so that should be just about enough in the front to make it look like it's been retightened, even though it hasn't, but we're gonna fake it again. Like I said, we faking it today. So let's take this down, take this off. This is how it looks. Just pull it back. It looks like, when I pull it back, it looks like I did it. Looks like it's been retightened. This is the side. This is the other side. This is the top. That looks like it's been retightened for the most part, or it definitely looks more tidy, looks more neat than it did before. Gonna get rid of these grays and make that happen, but for now this is what we're gonna work with for the next couple of days until I get closer to the weekend, and I will do my entire head, like the whole thing, and then braid it up and then do the regular things that I normally do to it. I stood up so you guys can see. This is what it looks like. This is how my hair looks. This is the back. The back is uneven, which I don't love. I'm gonna work on that part too, but for now, this is what I'm working with. This is my hair that a lot of you have not seen in a very long time. Again, if you're new to my channel, these are micro locks. I started them with braids in May of 2019, and I've just been maintaining them as sister locks since. And I do the interlock method with a 2-point rotation. I will be back later with more hair videos for you guys. I hope you all enjoy your day, and I'll talk to you later. See you tomorrow. Bye.